Dear students, our today's lesson is calculation of mean in individual series. When our series is in individual form, how to calculate mean in individual series? As we know, we have two methods to calculate mean in the individual series, that is direct method and shortcut method. We will solve a simple question here. The question is we have pocket money of 10 students. Pocket money of 10 students. Find out as given below. Find out mean. Thus, what is the pocket money of different students? It is in rupees. Rupee 15, 20, 30, 22. It is 25. We have 18, 40, 50. 18, 40, 50, 55 and 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thus we have pocket money of 10 students as given. We have to find out mean. What is the solution? Very simple question. Let we keep pocket money or pocket allowances as a column. We make a column. It is 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55 and 65. We have to calculate mean. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 students whose pocket money is given in this form. And what does that mean? Mean in the direct method. In the direct method, mean means x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. Let us keep this pocket money as values of x. This is summation of x. It means sum of x divided by number of values. So we have to calculate sum of x. We have to sum up these values. And number means how much values we have. Here we have 10 students. N is equal to 10. So it is very simple. N is equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we have to calculate the sum of these values. When we sum up these values, it comes to 340. When we sum up these values, 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 22 plus 25 plus 18, so on and so forth. Thus, keep these values, put these values in the formula. Therefore, x bar means mean is equal to sum of x is 340 divided by n is 10. Our mean is 34. Thus, our value of x bar is 34. It's very simple. So thus, whenever we have an individual series, our mean is sum of observations divided by number of observations, or sum of values divided by number of values. Here sum of values is 340 and number of values is 10. The mean is 34. This is direct method. Now let us take the same example and calculate mean by shortcut method. Solution is very simple. We have pocket allowances, pocket money or pocket allowances, pocket money of 10 students. Here it is 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55 and 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to calculate the mean by shortcut method. In shortcut method, our x bar is equal to a plus summation d divided by n. This d is equal to x minus a. Let pocket money we keep x. हम pocket money को x value रखते हैं. We keep pocket money as the values of x. Thus, we have to see first the d. This d. D is equal to, D means deviation is from x. Deviation is from x. That means how much the value of x is far from our central value. Central value here we assume as a is assumed mean. We assume that a is our mean. A is our mean, which we keep as assumption. This is our central value, assumed mean. We assume, we suppose. This is not actual. This is assumption. This is assumption. X minus a. X is the values of x. And a, we take any value from these values. Here, to understand the a fully, we take any value from these values as our assumed mean. This is not actual mean, but this is assumed mean. We suppose it. We let it. This is our mean. This can be our mean. This may be our mean. While taking the value of a, some conditions must be put into consideration. Some conditions. These are that the minimum value in the series should not be the value of a, and the maximum of all values should not be the value of a, because if we take this whiteboard as, if I will tell my students what is the central value of this side of this board, no student will tell this is the central value, and no student will tell this is the central value. So it can be in the center of the blackboard. In the center of the blackboard, it can be central point of this side of board, can be either this point or this point or this point. It can be 1 inch up or down, 10 centimeters up or down, but it can neither be the maximum value nor the minimum value. It can be between maximum and minimum value. If we take this series, the maximum value here is 65 and the minimum value here is 15. So 15, a rational person cannot, a wise man cannot put assumed mean or central value as 15 or 65. It can be between this. Let it be, take the a as, let it be 40. Let it be 40. Let it be 40. Here now we have to calculate the deviation is from 40. How much this 15 is far from 40? How much is 20 far from 40? How much is 22 far from 40? So, what is the difference between this 15 and 40? How much? That means we will subtract 15 from 40 or 40 from 50. If we subtract here 40 from 15, it can be 25. That is minus 25. 15 minus 40 is equal to minus 25. 20 minus 40, it is minus 20. 30 minus 40, it is minus 10. 22 minus 40, it is minus 18. And 25 minus 40, it is minus 15. 18 minus 40, it is minus 22. 40 minus 40, it is 0. 50 minus 40, it is 10. 55 minus 40, it is plus 15. It is plus 15. Plus 15. This is also plus 15. 65 minus 40, it is plus 25. Now we have to calculate the summation of D here. Summation of D. What is the summation of D? So this is 25 This is 20, minus 10, minus 18, minus 15, minus 22, plus 10, plus 10, 15, and 25. Let us calculate the value of this. Here it comes 5 plus 2, 7, 15, 15 plus 5, it is 20. It is 20. 20, 20, 2 to 4, to 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 to 110, minus 110. 25, 40, 50. This is 50. So here it comes to minus 60. It comes to minus 60. Summation D comes to 60. Minus 60. It is minus 60 here. Minus 60. Summation of D is equal to minus 60. Here N is equal to number of items. Number of items we know it is 10. So we have now all the values which can be put in the formula to calculate the mean. Therefore, x bar is equal to A is 40 plus summation D is minus 60 divided by this is 10. Thus, summation x bar is equal to 40 plus and minus 4. It is minus 10. It is minus 6. Therefore, x bar is equal to 40 minus 6 is 34. So, here we again come to the value of 34 as mean in shortcut method as well as in the direct method. Now, I will put one question as homework. One question as homework. Now, the homework is homework. Question is very simple question. I will put the height of 10 students is given. Find out mean by direct and shortcut method. I will give here height of 10 students, and you have to calculate the mean by direct method and by shortcut method. Here it is, for example, name of student, and height in, for example, centimeters. Student A, B, this is the name of student, C, D, E, F, G, H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. G, H, I, and J. Height is 155 centimeters, 153, 168, 160, 162, 166, 164, 100, 155, 153, 168, 160, 162, 166, 164, 180, we have 157, and we have 165. So this is the height of 10 students. So this column matters least. You have now to concentrate upon this column, but you have to calculate the mean of these values. By direct method and shortcut method. Thank you very much. Request to request to the viewers again and again, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.